From the sea of Lidar companies over the last decade, let's shine a light on Ouster and see what sets it apart and how it's been progressing, technologically and commercially. First of all, its digital architecture replaces hundreds of analog components with a custom system on a chip, SoC, integrating a SPAD detector array and a high-efficiency VC cell laser array. Combined with a patented micro-optic system, this design dramatically boosts performance, reliability, and manufacturing efficiency while significantly reducing cost. Production at scale is being reached faster since Ouster partners with Benchmark Electronics and Fabrinet to maintain a streamlined, automated manufacturing process. Ouster's technology is widely used across industries. Automotive customers deploy Lidar for ADAS and autonomy. Industrial users enhance safety and automate heavy equipment. Robotics developers rely on Lidar for navigation, mapping, and collision avoidance. And smart infrastructure customers monitor traffic and crowds in a privacy-preserving manner. Its flagship OS product line, powered by custom SoC technology, is available in multiple models and now includes the Rev7 generation, with double the range, higher accuracy, and improved object detection. Rev7's on-sensor 3D zone monitoring enables real-time object detection and automated responses such as alerts, deceleration, or emergency stops. The feature embeds 3D perception directly into the OS0, OS1, and OS Dome sensors, an advancement over traditional 2D industrial LiDAR. Customers can define up to 128 zones and monitor 16 simultaneously, with filters to reduce false positives and dynamic zone switching. Targeted initially at collision avoidance for forklifts and material handling vehicles, the feature aims to reduce development time and strengthen Ouster's position in industrial automation, with CEO Angus Pacala describing it as key to Ouster's evolution into an autonomy company. On top of that, a cloud portal for Ouster Gemini, its AI-powered digital LiDAR perception platform, supports remote management, diagnostics, OTA updates, digital twin visualizations, and virtual sensor placement design, offering unified oversight of large, multi-site deployments in security, transportation, logistics, and crowd analytics. The DF Solid-State series is designed for automotive ADAS and autonomous driving, offering durability, affordability, and OEM-ready performance. Beyond hardware, Ouster has software platforms, including Ouster Gemini for security, logistics, and crowd analytics, and Blue City for intelligent transportation systems. These solutions use LiDAR-based perception to detect, classify, and track people and vehicles while preserving privacy. Blue City supports traffic optimization, safety analytics, and urban planning, and has seen rapid adoption across hundreds of smart city sites. Investment continues to go into semiconductor improvements for next-generation receiver SoCs and VC cell arrays to increase range and resolution without changing sensor size. Its diverse customer base, proprietary technology stack, and manufacturing partnerships position Ouster to pursue high-volume OEM opportunities and expand its role in the growing global LiDAR market. In smart infrastructure, deployments of Ouster Gemini have popped up at major commercial real estate and for foot traffic analytics. Blue City, Ouster's turnkey traffic management solution, will exceed 400 sites, supported by multi-million-dollar contracts in Chattanooga and Utah, after outperforming competing systems. Ouster also extended its commercial reach through more distribution partnerships across nearly 20 U.S. states and Canada, earned NEMA TS2 certification for traffic actuation, and integrated with Genetec Security Center. For security use, Ouster's partnership with Constellus integrates its Gemini technology into Constellus's Lexo AI-driven security platform. Lexo consolidates data from multiple sensors, including LiDAR, radar, thermal imaging, acoustic detection, and video analytics, into a unified operational picture for complex security environments. Ouster Gemini will serve as the foundational intelligence layer, enabling 3D situational awareness, real-time analytics, automated threat classification, and response protocols across public and private security settings. The integrated solution is designed to operate effectively in diverse weather and lighting conditions, reduce false alarms, and improve efficiency. The system is built for easy integration with existing security infrastructure and supports early detection and actionable threat alerts. demonstrating the practical value of combining high-resolution 3D LiDAR with AI software for actionable intelligence, helping expand its addressable market. In Germany, Ouster, together with the analytics provider Lacy Pico, is expanding deployment of its 3D digital LiDAR technology across Europe, its largest software-attached contract in the region to date. Lacy Pico, which already uses hundreds of Ouster OS sensors for crowd analytics, will deploy hundreds more along with Ouster Gemini perception software licenses. Gemini will support applications such as people counting, mobility analytics, and perimeter and intrusion monitoring in public spaces, transportation hubs, and retail environments. Since the Ouster Gemini platform fuses high-resolution 3D LiDAR with AI-driven perception to detect, classify, and track people and vehicles, even in poor weather or low-light conditions. It integrates well with video management systems and traffic controllers, enabling spatial awareness, real-time analytics, and GDPR-compliant data management via Lacy Pico Cloud. A proof-of-concept deployment in Western Germany used Gemini to analyze traffic flows at intersections. Strong results led to expanded rollout across the city. In retail settings, Gemini provides precise insights into footfall, dwell time, and movement patterns, helping operators and city managers make data-driven decisions. Executives from both companies said the collaboration elevates the accuracy and transparency of urban analytics, supporting safer, more efficient smart city operations. In the domain of defense, Ouster revealed that the U.S. Department of Defense approved its OS1 digital LiDAR sensor for unmanned aerial systems, adding it to the Blue UAS framework of NDAA-compliant components. The OS1 is the first high-resolution 3D LiDAR sensor included in the program and outperforms older 2D systems in resolution, ruggedness, weight, and power efficiency. The approval follows comprehensive cybersecurity and component vetting by the Defense Innovation Unit. Ouster's digital LiDAR is already used by the U.S. Army, Navy, NASA, national labs, and transportation agencies across drones, ground vehicles, marine vessels, and security systems. The company emphasizes secure supply chain practices, ISO 27001 certification, and Buy American manufacturing options. In the long term, a major focus is scaling software-attached revenue, particularly through Ouster Gemini and Blue City, to capture part of what the company sees as a $19 billion smart infrastructure opportunity. Ouster also includes next-generation sensors built on new silicon that could double the addressable market and improve performance without significant cost increases. Financially, long-term targets of 30 to 50% annual revenue growth remain alongside 35 to 40% gross margins and disciplined operating expense control at or below Q3 2023 levels. In Q3 this year, Ouster reported revenue of $39.5 million, exceeding analyst expectations of $36.9 million, marking a 41% year-over-year increase. It shipped a record 7,200 sensors, driven by strong demand in smart infrastructure, industrial automation, robotics, and last-mile delivery. Despite revenue growth, Ouster posted an adjusted loss of 37 cents per share, wider than the expected 16 cents, reflecting ongoing investments in R&D and AI innovation. GAAP gross margin improved to 42%, with non-GAAP margin at 47%, while cash and equivalents stood at $247 million with no debt. Looking ahead, focus will remain on scaling its software-attached business, transforming its product portfolio with next-generation sensors and custom AI, and progressing toward profitability. Especially appealing opportunities lie in intelligent transportation, perimeter security, industrial automation, and crowd analytics, with estimates of a $19 billion smart infrastructure addressable market by 2030. Investments in AI perception, sensor retraining, and next-generation hardware aim to expand use cases, improve efficiency, and support commercial-scale deployments, contributing to the ability to convert pilot programs into high-volume orders. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.